Hello everyone, my name is Palak Gupta. I am from Maulana Azad Medical College. I am in final professional year. DigiNav हमको एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड करता है जहाँ पे जो टीचर्स पढ़ा रहे हैं वो आपको थ्योरी की तरह पढ़ा ही नहीं रहे हैं, वो चीज़ वो आपको ऐसे पढ़ा रहे हैं कि पेशेंट आया, उसने ये कंप्लेंट्स बताई, उसके बाद आपके दिमाग में क्या क्या डिफरेंशियल डायग्नोसिस आनी चाहिए, उसके हिसाब से आप क्या क्या इन्वेस्टिगेशंस लिखोगे और आप कैसे ट्रीटमेंट पे पहुंचोगे. जस्ट नोइंग द ट्रीटमेंट, बिकॉज सेम ट्रीटमेंट हर इंसान के लिए नहीं होता है. ट्रीटमेंट वेरीज फ्रॉम पेशेंट टू पेशेंट अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिम्टम्स. तो ये चीज़ अगर आपको कोई टीचर है समझाने के लिए आप तभी समझ सकते हैं. सो DigiNav रियली हेल्प मी टू extract what is important and what needs to be understood in a very simplified way. At the same time, पल्स भी एक ऐसा टॉपिक है जो पर्सनली मुझे नहीं समझ में आता था. डॉक्टर अर्चित बलूर सर की जो मेडिसिन की वीडियोस हैं, माय गॉड दे आर सो अमेजिंग. हर चीज़ इतनी सिंप्लीफाइड वे में आपको और कहीं नहीं मिल सकती.
Hi, I'm Nishant Kumar Sharma. I'm a final year MBBS student from Maulana Azad Medical College, Delhi. The videos are very much clinically oriented, so it will be really helpful for us also. I feel more confident about my next or NEET PG examination, which is going to be more clinical side now onwards. So I feel really confident about it.
Hi, I am Deepak Sachdeva and I am final prof student from Maulana Azad Medical College. ECG is one of the mainstay of MBBS जो हर एक को आना चाहिए. At the same time, it is very difficult to understand and confusing for almost everyone in their medical life. तो उस चीज़ को इन्होंने इतना अच्छे से समझाया and I was able to understand it well. And जब मुझे postings में इसको correlate करना था, I did it very well. And Vivas में भी it helped me a lot.
Hi, my name is Dr. Ambreen Qureshi. I am doing my internship from Hamdard Institute of Medical Sciences and Research, New Delhi. During the MCQs, when I had done an MCQ wrong, I needed the solution in a proper way given to me, so I could understand what I had done wrong. So as soon as I have clicked a wrong answer, for example, after an MCQ, I could click on the solution and it would take me to that part in the video where they have explained the answer to that MCQ. So that was a big relief and I haven't seen that in any other platform that I have used.
Hello everyone, I am Abhay. I am a third year MBBS student at NDMC Medical College and Hindura Hospital. One particular feature that I liked about the app was the doubt clarification. See, I have used many apps, but what you have to do in order to solve a simple doubt is you have to write a mail to the author. And it is a very long process to write the mail and get the response from it, and till the time you get the response the doubt itself goes from your mind. And with DigiNav, what you can do is you have a separate doubt section. You just need to mention the section and write the doubt, and you get the response in a few minutes to hours. And another thing that I've seen is the sectioning or indexing of the videos. Like the entire video has been divided into few parts, and you can just skip to the subtopic in case you want to refer to it. So these are the features that I feel are not available in any other apps.